Okay guys, check out this 2019 Chevy Corvette Grand Sport. This thing only has like 60 miles on it, brand new. So it is a rebuilt title, did have some damage up here in the right front. All been repaired. It's passed 150 point inspection. Heads-up display, smart key with remote start. Let me start it up here for you. So 65 miles on this.
This vehicle is in demonstration mode, connected by OnStar's high-speed 4G connection. Press the blue OnStar button to learn more.
Heated air-conditioned seats. Backup camera. This does have Wi-Fi. Individual temperature control over here with your heated air conditioned seat. Really sweet glass roof. Really cool LED lights. Check out all my inventory at tjchapmanauto.com.